Hello, this is Captain James Van Tock, United States Army Infantry, retired, once a soldier, always a soldier for life, and a leader forever. Currently serving as a Wing Imperial humanitarian representative for the state of Vietnam Airborne. Airborne, my brothers and sisters, as you already know, that I'm here to save your life. Not sometime, but all the time. The state of Vietnam Airborne has a food pantry open 24 hours a day, as well as we have a search and rescue vehicle here to save lives. And it's available and open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. As you can see right behind me. And our food pantry is located right here.